Hi, this is Kenny Daigle with KB Cuts, and today I'd like to talk to you about using acrylic paint pouring techniques on your leather projects. There are thousands of videos about acrylic paint pouring techniques. In this video, we're going to focus on using a dirty pour on a couple of projects I'm about to finish. A dirty pour is where you mix the paints before you apply them to your project. So let's go to the workbench and get started. Okay, so here we have a bracelet. I've already tooled, put my maker's mark in, and gotten it punched and ready for some snaps. And I'm going to do a 4-color pour using my Kova dyes: white, black, silver, and gold. So I've got a small Dixie cup. I'm going to mix my paints. One second, guys. Okay, so here it goes. Now I'm making sure that I pick up all of my edges. I'm going to finish the edges, but I just want to make sure I get the color complete on everything. So there you have it, a 4-color dirty pour. Okay guys, so now we're going to do a 6-color pour on a project, a bracelet I've almost finished. And I've got my Kova dyes. I've got neon orange, copper, blue, red, dark pink, and Kelly green. Now, I've already poured those up for you, so let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to make sure I get my edges. So there you have it, a 6-color dirty pour. Now I'm going to let both of these set up for at least 24 hours, if not longer, before I finish them. Okay, so I've let my bracelets set up overnight. I've applied
line 20 snaps for hardware. I've used black edge coat. So there you have it, acrylic paint pouring for your leather work. If you found this topic interesting, please like this video and go subscribe to my channel. I'll have more on this and other topics to come. See you soon.